Hello and welcome to another ARM software developer breakdown. My name is Robert Wolf, and this is the last video of this series with Valentin Viennot, product manager from Canonical. If you missed any of the previous parts to this series, please cruise on down to the description and find the part that you are on. So in the last 7 videos, we spoke with Chalkias and Rhys Davies, who gave us a great overview of Canonical's edge strategy and microclouds. Then we were joined by Valentin Viennot, who walked us through his Innovation Lab demo, which consisted of so many things. I'm going to let him summarize it for us. Valentin, take it away. Tear down this demo.
Thanks, Robert. We've been together through these videos, through the setup of a microcloud in an Innovation Lab setup, which was our example for a microcloud, but this microcloud stack is the solution for edge computing from Canonical that you can use in many contexts. This can be for retail, this can be for automotive or telco or industry. There's an infinite amount of possibilities here. These microclouds are really modular. As you've seen, we've been through the setup of LXD and microgates, but we can also look at Ceph for storage or MAS for provisioning and orchestration of bare metal devices. So what's important to understand from these microclouds is that they are truly resilient, self-healing, and an opinionated choice of technologies from Canonical, all based on open source technologies. We've also deployed some LTS containers that are offered from Canonical on Docker Hub and Amazon ECR Public as well, that are secure and hardened containers that you can use to deploy at the edge or actually anywhere.
Well, Valentin, that's awesome. And I have to say, it's been a true pleasure and a lot of fun doing this with you. On behalf of ARM, the ARM developer community, thank you so much for spending your time with us. If there's anything else you'd like to add before we close out this series, please, you have the floor.
Thanks, Robert. I'd like to think about Canonical microclouds, from the Ubuntu vision perspective, which is bringing the free software to the widest audience. And that's even more true at the edge, where we have such a broad range of devices, architectures, and setups. And there, this modular microcloud stack based on open source technologies is the perfect choice for your edge computing strategy, where you can just pick some layers, for orchestration, for bare metal, or for virtualization, for distributed storage with Ceph, or for this very lightweight, high available Kubernetes with microgates. So that's basically it. Thanks a lot for following these tutorials and videos, and looking forward to talking with you again.
All right. Yeah, no, Valentin, thank you so much. As I mentioned, it's been a pleasure having you here, and thank you for spending the time. To everyone watching, thank you very much as well. Don't forget to like this video, as well as all the other videos in this series. Follow our channel, ARM Software Developers, and we look forward to seeing you in the next ARM Software Developer Breakdown.